guys, we are going to do a white noise video. So, what this entails actually is, Nicholas, shout it out loud. What are we doing?
We are.
White noise.
Yeah.
What does it do?
You're putting white noise in your headset so that you can't hear things. It makes sound or noise canceling headphones even more noise canceling.
Okay guys, well we're gonna pretend like that string of words made enough sense to form a cohesive sentence.
It made sense in my mind.
But anyway guys, we're gonna actually bring in a couple more people than usual. So let's go get Jason's order. And now we're in here and we have Jordan. What's happy?
What's up?
Chase. Bearded Wonder. Alright guys, we're gonna go play a game. You guys in?
Yeah, might as well. Sure.
They sound excited.
Good.
I'm guessing, so I put the headphones
Put
on?
the headphones on, push play.
Hey, just 3 words.
Alright, give me the thumbs up to go,
Okay.
alright?
Yep. Ready? Boners and airplanes.
What?
Boners and airplanes.
Boners and airplanes.
Got it.
How did you hear me?
Huh?
Did you hear me?
I'm making it, but reading your lips. You can't hear a thing. Ready? Okay. Sturgill Simpson.
What?
Sturgill Simpson.
Something semen.
Sturgill Simpson. Sturgill Simpson.
What?
You almost had it. Sturgill Simpson.
What the? Is it something semen?
Sturgill Simpson.
Something sleeping?
Sturgill Simpson. Come on, we're gonna get through this together, me and you.
I can't understand a word you're saying.
Sturgill Simpson.
Someone sleeping. JoJo's sleeping.
Sturgill Simpson.
Go to sleep?
Sturgill Simpson.
Sturgill Simpson.
Yeah! God.
Sickle cell anemia.
What?
Sickle cell anemia.
How long? How many words is that? 3 words?
Yeah. Sickle cell anemia.
I got no clue. Just keep saying it. Just keep saying it. Give a little pause and then keep saying it.
Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia.
Is it like a Harry Potter spell? What are you saying?
Cell.
I got no clue.
Sickle. Sickle.
Secret.
Sickle.
Sickle. Sickle.
Sickle cell
Sickle cell.
anemia.
Anemia. That's hard as He's never getting this one. Ready? Acidophilus.
What?
Acidophilus.
Asophilus.
Acidophilus.
Asophilus.
Acidophilus.
Acidophilus.
Yeah! Why the did you get it so fast? You know what that is? Isn't that like the stomach back here? That's in like yogurt. I hope so. Might be dumb.
Acidophilus?
Like a probiotic.
Or,
Yeah, probiotic. Yeah, whatever. Just cut that last part out where I said it's in yogurt.
Alright guys, so we gotta have a tiebreaker here. That was pretty much evenly matched. So, you guys ready?
Ready? Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat.
You.
Twisted Metal 4. Twisted Metal 4.
Something berry?
Yeah.
Something berry? It's like Twisted Berry 4.
Twisted Metal 4.
Twisted Metal 4.
Yeah.
That was real close.
We need to put a time.
Honestly, I'm gonna be transparent here. I used a
Falls down.
3-word generator on Google.
3-word Jesus
That's
Christ.
what he was doing.
Alright. Are you ready for this? We need to. Yeah. Ready? Giant zebra fetus.
You are the worst at this.
Giant
Giant
zebra
zebra
fetus.
fetus. Giant zebra fetus.
What was that? Yeah.
He wasn't supposed to guess it.
Well, you shouldn't say him so slow.
Hey.
Yeah.
Which-
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go with the classic movie quote here. Bold move, Cotton.
Bold move, Cotton. All right.
Hey.
To get off that darkest ground. But gravity pulls you straight.
Are you Googling another one?
No.
Go for really long words that it's not gonna think of, like radiation, chemotherapy treatment.
Underwater radiation treatment. 3. Underwater radiation treatment.
Underwater something.
Underwater radiation treatment.
Underwater radiation treatment.
He's a sharpshooter.
Is that right?
Yeah.
To get off that darkest ground. But gravity pulls you straight down.
I've acquired a life skill. Fag. I got nothing. I got nothing.
Nothing.
Well, that's part of it. I got nothing.
You got nothing.
I got nothing.
I got nothing.
Hey!
Does that even count?
That's 3 words.
No, that doesn't even count. Bull.
Yeah, I'm not the mediator. This ain't my
That's
thing.
the.
How's this gonna work?
You're not gonna look either? Like,
I got this.
you
Smell
ready?
it.
You ready?
Smell it. Smell the word.
Smell the word.
Smell the word.
Hey, whoa, whoa.
Somalian herd.
Smell the word.
Smell the word.
Snail herd.
Smell the word.
Smell the wood.
Smell the word. Smell the word.
Small world.
Smell the world.
The world.
I just switched the word because you did. Smell the word.
Spell the word.
Smell the word.
Smell the word? What? Why does that even make any sense?
When you want to get off that darkest ground. But gravity pulls you straight.
Random word narrator.
Is that not cheating? Nope.
Nope.
Ready?
He makes the rules. He's his own host.
Intriguing sled hooligan.
Keep saying it.
Intriguing sled hooligan.
You're gonna have to keep going.
Intriguing sled hooligan.
I have no idea.
Intriguing sled hooligan.
Yep.
Intriguing.
I'm getting treaty. That's what I'm getting.
Intriguing.
Intriguing?
Sled hooligan.
Is intriguing the first word?
Mhm.
Intriguing, say the last ones again.
Sled hooligan.
Alright, yep. Yep.
Sled hooligan. Intriguing sled hooligan.
Intriguing.
Sled hooligan.
Slugglooby is what I'm getting here.
Sled hooligan.
Jet Hooley. That's what I got.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Sled hooligan.
I have no idea.
Sled
Sled.
hooligan.
I got no idea.
Who?
Hooligan.
Hooligan.
Intriguing sled hooligan.
Good job.
Jesus Christ.
You won't.
I'm good.
Alright, well thanks for tuning in to our white noise challenge here.
Yep. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this, let us know, and we'll actually get more people in on this next time. And I've got to say, I really did not expect anybody to guess these as fast as they did, especially with the 3 random word generator. And then you guys,
cheated a little bit with
I didn't
that.
cheat. But again,
Vote on it in the comments.
if you guys liked it, drop a comment down below. If you're on Twitter, shoot us a DM or tweet to us. If you're on Facebook, right on our wall at YouTube, there's a comment section for a reason. But anyway, guys, we're Insane Labs, and Chase just wants to say a little something before we go.
Bye.
See ya.